Hi dear friends, hearty welcome. Myself Sandosh KN. In this class, I shall teach you about the parts of a sentence. A sentence has two parts. They are the subject and the predicate. Let's learn about the subject in detail. The subject. Let me write the definition first. The part that tells us about the person or thing that does the action of the sentence is called the subject. May contain the name of a person or the thing, and surely the subject is the doer of the action. Doer means one who does the action. Let's learn the subject with the help of some examples. First example, our cricket team played well. This sentence says about our cricket team. So, this part is the subject. Another example for you. The clown makes us laugh. This sentence, that is the second sentence, says about the clown. So, the clown is the subject. Another example for you. Shelly wrote many poems. We know that Shelley is the name of the greatest poet in English literature, and the sentence says about Shelley here. So Shelley is the subject. Shall we learn about the predicate now? Okay. The part of the sentence that tells us more about the subject is called the predicate. In other words, we can say that what says about the subject is known as the predicate of that sentence. Here we have three examples. The first one, the clown makes us laugh. We know very well that the sentence says about the clown, and the words makes us laugh add something more to the subject clown. So makes us laugh is the predicate. Mary sings so sweetly. In the second example, the sentence says about Mary sings so sweetly. Here we have three words. These three words add something more to the subject Mary here. So sings so sweetly is the predicate of the second sentence. Then let's consider the third example. Arun is an intelligent boy. Is an intelligent boy. Here we have four words. Okay, these four words are something more to the subject Arun. So, is an intelligent boy is the predicate of the sentence. Examine the subject and predicate from the following examples. Here we have 5 examples. The first one is aeroplanes zoom. So no doubt the sentence says about the aeroplane. So aeroplanes is the subject and the word zoom is the predicate. Then the second one, the black dog bit the poor beggar. The sentence says about the black dog. The black dog is the subject. Bit the poor beggar is the predicate. In the third example, the sentence says about the little girl. So the little girl is the subject. Sat in a corner is the predicate. When we consider the fourth example, the sentence says about the boys of our school. So that is the subject. The remaining part, made Raman the captain, is the predicate. In the fifth example, mountains add to the beauty of a country. That is the fifth example. The sentence says about the mountains. So that is the subject, and the remaining part of that sentence, add to the beauty of the country, is the predicate. Well, what do you learn from these examples? In the first one, we have only one word as the subject. The predicate also contains a single word. In the second example, the subject contains 3 words. In the third example, the subject contains 3 words. In the fourth example, subject contains 5 words. And fifth one, the subject has only 1 word. The predicate only 1 word, and in the remaining cases, you can see number of words in the predicate. So what do you learn from these? From these examples, we can learn that the subject and predicate may consist of a single word or of many words. The subject and the predicate may consist of a single word or of many words. The subject and the predicate may consist of a single word or of many words. Then the subject in the imperative sentence is hidden. Example number 1. Walk first. It means that you walk first. Not so? Sit down. It means you sit down. Third example, thank you. It means that I thank you. From these examples, we can learn that the subject in the imperative sentence is hidden. Okay, the subjects are not mentioned in these sentences. Well, let's learn how to find out the subject in a sentence. We can easily find out the subject by taking the verb and asking a question beginning with what or who. In order to find out the subject of a sentence, we must take the verb and ask a question to the verb. The question should begin with what or who. Here we have an example. Example number 1. Sita sings well. Sings is the verb here. So I ask the question who to the sentence. Okay, here. Who sings well. Here the verb gives us an answer. Sita. So Sita is the subject. Let's consider another example. The sun shines brightly. Let me underline the verb first. Verb shines. Shall we ask the question? Okay. What shines? What shines brightly? The answer, the sun. The sun is the subject. Let me wind up this session here. Please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. We shall meet in the next class. Bye bye.